go, Takeshita Street. Here we go. Harajuku, Takeshita Street. Look at this. Huh? Hello. That's fine. Woo. Look at this, guys. Big street. McDonald's. Yeah. Daiso's right here. Yeah, let's do a quick pop in. Grab your bag if you need one. Shopping at the Daiso. Got some stationery stuff. Bags, some cute stuff. Yep. So self-checkout. Oh, look at these little spoons. A lot of snacks here. A lot of miscellaneous products. Some dolls. A lot more snacks. I don't know what's on the second floor. Up to the second floor. That's makeup and stationery, home goods on this floor. Binders, art supplies, got it all. So we've just got some chopsticks, bamboo chopsticks, and then some masking tape. Cute one. Can I get that? Yep. Alright. Tiny spoons.
Where do I get from this?
Yeah, let's go.
It's so cute.
The Beechwood tiny spoons.
Look at Julie. Wait, look, there's a curry spoon.
It's not too big, but yeah, you get it.
So cute. Wait, this is a soup spoon. I don't want that much. Oh, there's this one that's darker and longer.
Want to try to make the
they are small.
the egg tamago in a square? Yeah, you can get one. You can try it.
It's hollow, so you can put stuff in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could put all of my
Yeah, you put
utensils.
some-
True, true. Yeah, you can get one.
It's not gonna scratch this.
I think it'll be good. What about this color?
The dark or the light? Dark?
Dark.
Well, because when you use it, it'll like get dark anyway.
True.
Yeah, you can try making the egg
When all
with
the
that.
oil
You gotta get the full set.
Yeah, you gotta get the egg scraper now. You gotta get the omelet turner with the omelet maker, or else it won't work. It's a combo set. All right. Let's get out of here before she gets more. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Nope. Get out. Quit while we're ahead. All right. They have an English self-checkout. Cash, okay.
Welcome. Please select whether you wish to purchase a shopping bag.
All right. Repayment.
So cash and credit.
Yeah, only 1,654 yen.
Select another payment
cotton candy shops here. If you go up. Little buckets. I think they sell like the buckets and they used to sell the little drinks. Small. Let's do small, melon, soda. You pick the last one.
Strawberry.
Melon soda, strawberry. It's crowded, so free choose.
Oh, okay, okay,
like
okay.
that. It comes with that.
Okay, okay. Whatever you want, whatever you want.
So this one has this one.
B? B?
Okay, thank you so much. 700 yen free.
Let's see how it's made. He's making the small one. Watch out. There you go, leaving. That's the large over there. That's the large. That's huge. Alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There it is. There's the small. Go on the sunlight. Alright. Everyone grab, eat. Grab and eat.
Oh, what the? Okay.
Just pull it.
It's like ruining perfect snow. Alright, here we go.
Like a fresh snowfall?
I'll counter pull. Oh. Oh no. I'm unraveling quick. Help me pull it. Nice. Good color.
Can I get it?
Woodendoll. It's a streetwear store. I think they have some oversized clothing. Sheesh. Bomber jackets. Oh, this is a Tokyo 2XL now. So it might not even fit me. I'll say it's probably even looking like it's not gonna fit me. See? I kinda like these, but I don't like the little yarn. I feel like it's gonna get like ruined and ooh, but this though. Oh, I feel like it's gonna be too small though. I just know it. But I really like this design. It's gonna be really cool. No back. It's okay. Arigatou. Yep, here's the mirror wall entrance. If you go up it, there's a nice place where you can stand and take pictures on the stairs. So yeah, this is Tokyu Plaza. That's the what goes all the way up. Oh yeah, there's another cafe here. This is the Disney Cafe, yeah. What they serve.
Probably also the how many.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's another like kind of a theme cafe here. Yeah, there's a Starbucks right there.
Oh wait, one person.
Wow. Oh, it's very cute. All these seats. Rare commodity, guys, seats. Yeah. That is Tokyo. Wow. It's a cool seating area. Top of the roof. Just look at this.
Oh, there's a Swedish cafe.
Oh, Swedish cafe. Okay. Oh wow. They have strawberry pancakes. Wow. Do we order? I think we order here. Some stuff here that they don't sell in the US. Yeah.
Yeah, roasted beef feet. We also don't have.
Drink. Side menu. I'll get one moose. And maybe. Let's get one of these. And that's the cafe takeout and eat. Very interesting. Wow. This is a Japanese IKEA. Huh. Okay. Iced tea, iced coffee. And then they have just coffee and hot water. Ooh, elderflower lemonade. It's pretty good. And then
Strawberry.
your strawberry pistachio mousse, I think. Alright. I think we're gonna have to go on like the second floor. Good. Oh yeah. Nike.
Actually looks.
Oh wait, the hood. The hood.
Oh,
Wow.
that's like so soft too.
Oh, it is very soft. Ooh.
Oh, look, it has the zipper
Oh.
pockets.
Okay, how much?
Wait, so it's like two pockets
Ow.
because this is like outside.
100.
Yeah, the hoodie I was
It's like
looking at was
100.
exactly
How
that
about
price, too.
110? Well, this is so tempting, but I don't know if I want to buy another hoodie for my like luggage.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is really good though. I mean, that's one. That's an option. Oh, what we were looking at when I was. Thank you.